Every day, thousands of engines leave American factories, bound for driveways across. This facility has built tens of millions of engines since it opened its doors decades ago.
Wages here average around $40 an hour for experienced line workers.
In 1955, a legend was born, the small block V8 rewritten performance history. In 1932, the mass-produced V8 engine changed the automotive landscape forever. From manual labor to absolute precision, this is the future of manufacturing. Its lightweight, compact design made it adaptable to nearly every vehicle segment. This is the moment the vehicle becomes mechanically whole. Combining engine and transmission production optimizes our workflow. This proximity eliminates delay. Some performance engines are still built by a single technician from start to finish. To eliminate oil starvation, we're installing a dry sump system. In lost foam casting, a foam pattern is used. Molten metal vaporizes the foam on contact, leaving a... Measurements look good. Send it through to finishing.
Perfect. That's locked in place. Robots and people work side by side, each handling the tasks suited to their strengths. Unit 4273 is cleared.
RPM stabilizing at 5,000. Torque is holding steady. Fluid fill testing verifies compression. It checks timing and vibration. This happens before ship. From molten metal to a finished engine, this is the process that keeps American manufacturing running.